So some benefits of this is, one, you're lifting over your head. All right. So when in life do you lift over your head? Well, if you're traveling, you got to pick up your suitcase and you got to put it in the overhead bin, because so you have that. You have picking up your kids, tossing them up in the air. You have putting a plate of dishes up over there. I know plate of dishes don't weigh 45 pounds, but it's still beneficial. Reaching up, having the ability to reach above your head is important. All right. And so how do you do this? Okay. Well, one thing is I like to start out with the bar at back squat height, meaning it is just a little bit lower than my collarbone. All right. So I do like to start out a little bit lower. That's just my preference. All right. And so how do you set up? Well, if I close my eyes, and I reach out in front of me, that is my hand placement. Now I want to even myself up on the bar. All right. As you can see, like one side is a little bit more off center. All right. So I do want to center my hands just a little bit. So I'll just turn them just a bit. All right. But my hands are even, and this is a natural stance for me because I closed my eyes and I reached up and grabbed. Okay. Now with this, you want a nice strong grip. All right. Nice strong grip on everything. And then I like to step underneath, grab the bar, keep everything nice and tight, stand straight up, take a step back. All right. Now you want to bend your knees a little bit, tighten up your core, press straight over your head, and then come back down. All right. Press over your head and then come back down. Whenever you're done, right, walk into the J-cups and set them down. Don't try to just dump them, okay? That puts your shoulder in a vulnerable position. So you want to walk into the J-cup, set it down, it's got your back, okay? Now, one thing with a barbell shoulder press, you want to watch your jaw, okay? So what I mean is you want to keep your jaw shut and make sure your tongue is in your mouth. It's not in between your teeth. You can get rocked, all right? And what I mean is that barbell can come up and knock you in the jaw. Keep your jaw closed, all right? Keep your jaw closed. And then press up and then come back down, all right? Some common things that I see people do wrong is that they're not tightening up their core, all right? So you have to tighten up your core when it comes to this barbell press, okay? Because if not, then you're left lifting like this, putting your back in a vulnerable position. Another thing that I see people do is that they'll press overhead, but their arms are in front of them. You want to push your head through like a window and then come back down. Press straight up, look through your window, come back down. Keep that core nice and tight as you are lifting. All right, so that is the barbell shoulder press. So if you have any other exercises you want me to break down, coach you up on, critique, let me know. Drop them in the comments below and I'll add them to the list. Other than that, have a fantastic Tuesday. Go win.